Okay, we're here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, why don't we just head on to the water?
Okay, let me just do this.
Jack, you may not want to pull that off.
What? It's just my stick body.
You're literally scaring everyone here, Jack. Yeah, you're gonna have to change, Jack.
Alright, fine.
12 seconds later.
Uh-oh.
Wow. Will you look at that? The size of that whale.
Whale! How could you eat those four? They look so innocent. Bat whale, let's return to the ocean where we met Blue Guy.
12 seconds later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Great. We're trapped here. Amazing.
I'm scared. Calm down, everybody. Just look for a torch so we can find our way out of here.
I can just punch the whale. Watch.
Oh, hey guys, we made it out.
Finally, we made it out. It was dark in there.
Spikey, let's just go home.
I agree. Did you guys see that big splash I made? That was a big splash there, Spikey. I know. Let's just head on home and perfect. I got them on my hands. They're the knockoffs here. Yeah, but why? Well, they were all like, we were here first, like they're doing mixels all over again. I couldn't blame them. They were the knockoffs.
Pretty sure your creator made a huge mistake making you two.
What do you mean? We're not rip-offs. Spikey's the rip-off here.
Don't make me explain the level of violence I would inflict on you two right now.
Wow, you sound like a girl that might